get a trap. The water is bubbling so violently here, it's coming all the way up here and going into the vacuum tube, which means it'll probably be getting into the vacuum pump, which is not a good thing. But yeah, it looks like it all works. I got a couple of different pieces coming. I'm going to use a 500 milliliter decanter that's got a swivel knob at the bottom to allow it to drain out into a 500 milliliter flask. At the bottom, which will be the outlet, and then I'll take that flask off and apply that to whatever. I'm going to have a dual neck up here, so it'll have a single neck for that long pipette to go through all the way down, but then the suction, instead of coming off the bottom tank, is going to come back up around the outside of the same long neck off to a side here, and then come up and go out over to the vacuum pump. So I got that glass on the way. It'll probably take another couple of weeks. That stuff's all coming from China, I think. So I put in a liter of Fiji water, and that's what I just ran it there for about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, with the negative arc being drawn between the negative electrodes at negative 30,000 volts on either electrode. And we flip it back on. I'll show you the voltages real quick. That's the arc. That's the input. Right. And volts. About 80 volts. Millimeters. Now it's about 34 volts, 34,000 volts. 34,000 volts. That's the configuration, right? That's what the voltmeters. And then I turn the vacuum pump on over here. So we'll call it about a minute, minute and a half running on the pump. So I wonder if there's any kind of a particular charge there. Alright, here's the electrical setting. Multiply 10 to get volts per meter. So that's off the scale on the electric setting. Well, the water's definitely got an electric charge. I have to figure out how to quantify it. Need to check the pH, need to check the parts per million and the dissolved solids, and then need to apply that to something, I guess, as long as it's got an electric field being read.